let's talk follow-up ideas for prefixes or even the suffixes lesson. One thing you could do is create a chart. A chart would look something like this, where in the center of your paper, you have a prefix that you've chosen. So for example, I chose the prefix sub. I wrote the meaning of that prefix under. The meaning is under, and I wrote it under the prefix. Anyways, all right. So I'll write 4 different words that contain that prefix or suffix. I can create sentences that use those words and then draw a picture. So maybe I am going to write a sentence, the submarine voyaged across the ocean. And then I can draw a picture of a submarine. I would want to get out my colored pencils and make it look really nice. Maybe even make it a yellow submarine if you're a Beatles fan. So I don't quite know how I'm going to draw a submarine, but I'm going to draw it with a periscope. A little window or something. All right, so that would be an example of a chart. Another example of a follow-up idea would be a booklet. You can do a classic book fold and put the prefix or suffix at the beginning on the cover of your book. Of course, you decorate it and make it look really beautiful. This is just a very simple, bare bones example. Meaning again. You could have examples of words that contain that. You could draw pictures of what that means. Another idea is called a concept map. Now, a concept map here, you could just do on a sheet of paper like this, but I thought I'd get fancy and I'd utilize my Turkish map fold because, it's a concept map. And so I'm going to open up and you'll see what I have here. So this is actually pretty similar to a chart, but it maps out how we can use words, and you could do pictures as well. So you could write the suffix in the middle or prefix in the middle with the meaning, give examples of the word. So you'd put the example in the inner circle, then you'd write the definition. Then you'd write a sentence. And then you could draw a picture. These are all pretty similar, but just different fun nuances to how you can express your learning. So for example, if my suffix ESS, meaning female, could write lioness, a female lion, and then I'd write a sentence and then draw a picture maybe. So that would be a concept map, also utilizing our Turkish map fold. So maybe you've got some other ideas.